Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to use the cool 1930s filter on TikTok and Instagram to give your videos a nostalgic vintage look. It's super easy to do, so let's get started. First, open the TikTok app and head to the search bar by tapping the magnifying glass icon in the top right corner. Type in 1930s filter and you'll see videos showcasing this nostalgic effect. Pick a video you like and look for the CapCut button just above the username. Tap on it to try out the template in CapCut, an editing app. Once you're in CapCut, you'll see a preview of how the effect looks. Tap Use Template to start. Next, you'll need to upload a photo to apply the 1930s filter. Tap Use Template again at the bottom right of the screen to open your photo gallery. For the best results, select a clear selfie where your face is well visible. CapCut will process the image and create your video with the 1930s filter applied. Once it's done, you'll see your completed video with a vintage look that shows how you might have appeared back in the 1930s. And that's it! It's a simple and fun way to add a vintage touch to your photos and videos. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe for more TikTok trends and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.